How can cannabis make Western medicine more successful?
It's a really good question. In most cases, you think that alternative therapies are at odds with Western medicine. In the case of medical cannabis, really properly made and reliably made medical cannabis, RSO FECO medical cannabis is going to enhance the effectiveness of Western treatments and protocols. If Western doctors look at this correctly, you can really change factors and change situations through the profound lessening of inflammation. You can change surgical site markers, you can change inflammation levels, you can change blood work, you can change tumor sizes, you can change all of these things that help the Western team, the oncology team, achieve the ultimate result for a patient, which is you're looking for NED. You're looking for no evidence of original diagnosis or disease. And so what doctors, really good doctors, work in combination with King Harvest to introduce patients, study the effects, and help us to create reliable 90 to 120 day long protocols where we start to see that different types of medicines will have not just positive, but profoundly positive effects on different areas of chemical, Western, radiological, chemotherapy-based treatment. So cannabis oil will protect you from chemo. It'll enhance the effects of radiation. You see that it is arguably a massive factor in reduction of inflammation. It's being studied for THC destroying different types of tumors, different ways of destroying different types of tumors. So medical cannabis is Western medicine's best friend, and they're just getting to know each other.
Yeah.
And so what we want to do is help doctors. What we do is work day in and day out, week in and week out, with doctors that refer patients that want to do this in a responsible, regular, measured way, right? So it's totally reliable, and so they can introduce these really powerful medicines to their patients before a lot of the Western options can be quite irreversible surgeries, that kind of thing. So if you have a lot of success with these kinds of medicines before you go into those irreversible options, well, I mean, that is perfectly centered on the Hippocratic Oath, right?
Yeah, Hippocratic.
That is perfectly centered on the spirit of why medicine is good and godly. And I mean, in increasingly large numbers, doctors come to us and say, hey, we want to incorporate this wonderful, beautiful medicine into, healing regimen. And, how can, we work together to do this in a responsible way. And so that's what King Harvest does. So you can come to us privately without your doctor, but please ask your doctor to reach out to us. We love to talk to doctors.
And we can all work together.